Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're going to start inside Facebook Settings, open Settings and Privacy, then Settings. Once done, go straight to Privacy and Search Controls because that's where name visibility lives. You need to check both profile visibility and how others can find you. Make sure you're using the account whose name you want removed, and if on mobile, tap the three-line menu first. This step begins the process by targeting the exact controls that determine whether people can search your name. Now adjust the search controls. Under Privacy, change who can look you up using the email or phone number to friends or only me. That reduces immediate discoverability. Next, disable the option that allows search engines outside Facebook to link to your profile. This prevents external indexing. Then, check timeline and tagging to stop name mentions from appearing publicly. Restrict posts and tags to friends or only you. These steps cut both internal and external paths that let people find your name. Finish by cleaning up visible traces. Edit or delete public posts, remove tags where your name is shown, and check profile info fields for any public name entries. Once done, log out and try searching from another account or have a friend check. Verification confirms whether change is propagated. If your name still appears in search results, make sure external search engine toggle is off and then wait 24 to 48 hours for caches to refresh. If problems persist, repeat settings checks and remove any lingering public content.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.